So for problem 9, we have a population. We want to take a sample size 5. The population mean is 10. The population standard deviation is 8. Now, let's say for part E that we actually want to find a sample size n so that our standard deviation for all of our possible sample means, or that standard error, will be less than 1.5. So what we're going to do is we say, well, okay, we know this formula, standard deviation for x bar is equal to sigma over the square root of n. So, or in other words, I could write this as we want this sigma over the square root of n, which is equal to the standard deviation of x bar, to be less than 1.5. We know our standard deviation sigma is 8, so we have 8 over the square root of n is less than 1.5. Now we're just going to solve for n using things from our algebra classes. So like I'd multiply both sides by the square root of n. So I get 8 is less than 1.5 times the square root of n, and then I divide both sides by 1.5. So I have 8 divided by 1.5, 5.333 is less than square root of n. And then I would have to square both sides. So let's see, square that. I get 28.44 is less than n. So we need n to be greater than 28.44. Now, because when you're taking a sample, you cannot have part of a thing, we will round up and say we need at least 29 of whatever it is that we were talking about. So again, we just set sigma or square root of n less than 1.5 and just solve for n.